Hey eBay, today I'm showing you a Racing Champions SkyBirds USS Enterprise aircraft carrier. This is a toy aircraft carrier. It's quite large though, it's 34 inches. Meant to be with these little planes. It has ramps that pop up here. Actually, I'm not quite sure how to pop them up, but they do. They come up like ramps. This thing goes down. You can use that to wheel it back up. You also have these 3 buttons. Make those 3 sounds. The sides flip up for storage. You have this little piece that's broken off the end there and then thrown in the storage, I guess. May be able to repair that. This plane that comes with it, there is supposed to be a pack-in plane with it. However, this one is different than all the ones on the box, so I'm not sure that that is the pack-in plane, but this plane is included. You get the box, the unit itself, and the plane. As far as I know, the only thing that it's missing is the battery cover. Does come with 2 brand new batteries though. Let's take a look at the box. I don't usually say this about the things that I'm selling, but I just don't want to get anybody's expectations up. This box is in bad shape. It has seen better days. It's really just included for completeness sake. Got a lot of wrinkles and rips, and tape and whatnot, but it's mostly all there. And as far as the condition of the thing itself, it appears that you've had some discoloration over the years, both on the plastic and on the stickers. And like a lot of little scuffs and stains and stuff. So overall, mildly acceptable condition, I would say. But still pretty amazing to have such a vintage toy of that size. It's cool. This little piece does come off as well. Actually, I'm not entirely sure, but it may be missing some of the pieces from the top of that piece. But otherwise, give you a few more views. I think that is it, guys. Thanks for looking.